Hey everybody, this is Lamar Ellis. Welcome to Drones in Real Estate. This is part of my aerial inspection webinar series. My name's Lamar again, and I'm the president of Drone Education Services, and this is our first time with a live feed. All right, it looks like we got 98% power. And now I'm going to connect to our screen, my Autel screen. And we'll get this thing up in the sky. So, using the Autel robotic screen, and let's just head on. So it's asking me to do a pre-flight check. It says that the remote control and the aircraft are disconnected, so we're going to turn the aircraft on. And as you can see, I've spread the propellers out enough to where they're not going to jam as they take off. So I am in Addy mode now. I'm going to click over and I'm going to just finish up this screen, and I'm off the learning mode. So here we go. You can turn it off, sir. Action.
So I had an unfortunate accident today. A SUV ran over my Mavic in a parking lot. And as you can see from the bottom, it's more evident. It took quite a blow. The gimbal might still work, but everything kind of got compressed. These two front legs broke off. Can't see as much from the top, but literally the tire went straight over the drone. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to go ahead and see.
Talking about the benefits of aerial inspections using a drone. Drones are a beneficial tool for aerial inspections because they provide greater accuracy. They also can obtain images from different angles. Drones can lead to time efficiency by allowing you to fly in fair weather conditions and be able to take more images. Finally, they provide cost savings because you can view, choose, and edit your photographs on a computer. Drones give access to hard-to-reach places, and you can mark areas of interest for additional inspection, such as your latitude and longitude. Drones provide real-time inspection when compared to Google Earth and Bing Maps, which are typically not up to date on the date of inspection. Can you handle the mission? Make sure that you have the right equipment and crew to handle the operation. If not, then make the arrangements to obtain the proper equipment. Do you need a crew? The remote pilot is responsible for everything, including the crew. The crew can include a cameraman, visual observer, crowd control, and even an FAA official to make sure the operation runs smoothly. Each member of the crew is responsible for making sure that the drone's operation is safe and does not endanger people or property. However, the crew must all have a clear line of communication with the pilot.
Hey, it's Lamar. Thanks for watching another Drone Education Services production. Subscribe now and don't miss out on any of our new videos.
And like and share us on social media. And be sure to register your drone at FAAdronezone.faa.gov.
And get even more content at droneeducationservices.com. And as always, fly safe, fly often, and have fun.